and there are so many lapses surrounding his security, probably I would endanger his security, which is against national interest. It is very irresponsible and reckless for the government to play around with the security of President William Ruto. President William Ruto is very unpopular, I agree, but I must admit, in my own estimation, there will be political instability in this country. I, regarding Gachagua, do not want instability in this country. We have no other country and we don't want instability. We want William Ruto to be safe. We want William Ruto to be alive and to be well. We want to have the opportunity The problem of the security of William Ruto is that he has a CS interior who is naive, childish, and juvenile. In the inner circles of the ministry, I am told he is called the Minister for Entertainment, Waziri wa Sherehe. Security chiefs are telling me he is not available to be briefed of the country. And when he is available, he does not comprehend security briefs. He is known for party after party. He is too excited by the position. He is partying the whole night. And security chiefs cannot reach him. And when they do reach him, he is unable to comprehend the security briefs.